The DB8e antenna from Antennas Direct has a range of up to 70 miles, giving you the ability to receive a multitude of free, high-definition local broadcast networks with expanded programming. The DB8e can be installed in your attic or outdoors and comes with everything you see here. Today, we will focus on exterior installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, some coaxial cable, and a mast. First, align the elements on one side of the antenna with the holes on the corresponding reflector panel. Use the 5.5-inch bolts with aluminum sleeves to attach the two pieces together. Tighten the bolts to the nuts using a screwdriver and adjustable wrench. Then, do the same for the other side. With the arrows pointing upward on the swing brackets, tighten the nuts with a wrench. Now, attach the combiner and the mast clamp to the crossbar mount with the factory-installed screws pointing upward. Then, attach coaxial cables to the combiner. After attaching the coaxial cables, and with arrows pointing upward on the crossbar, attach one panel at a time using nuts with the flange side down. Then, route the left and right coaxial cables through their respective panels and attach the F connector on each panel, but do not over-tighten. Slide up the weather boot on each side. Use the small zip ties to affix the cables to their corresponding reflectors. Verify that both panels are aligned to the crossbar mount. Before installing the antenna outdoors, it is important to test the antenna in a location that offers the clearest possible view in the direction of the broadcast towers, avoiding placement around tall trees and buildings. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to your antenna and the other end to your television. Visit antennapoint.com and enter your zip code. You will find a list of stations, distance, and a precise compass heading. If you don't have a compass, simply download a free app from your preferred app store to your smartphone. Position the antenna so that it's facing the broadcast towers. Then, on your television, make sure that your input is set to antenna or air, and then scan for channels. If you are not receiving signals for the available channels, you may need to reposition your antenna and rescan. Before installing your antenna, make sure the mast is adjusted so that it's vertical. Slide the antenna over the top of the mast and tighten loosely into place. Using a zip tie, secure the coaxial cable loosely to the mast. Turn your antenna in the direction which resulted in the most channels during your test scan and tighten the zip tie. It is important to rescan your TV for the available channels once the antenna is installed. And that's it. You are now ready to receive free over-the-air television with unsurpassed quality compared to cable or satellite.